Welcome back, career enthusiasts, to our channel where we dive deep into the science of success in the corporate world. Today we're going to explore a fundamental skill that can make or break your career: decision-making. Decoding the brain's decision-making process. Let's start by understanding how our brains make decisions. Did you know that our brains process thousands of pieces of information every second? It's no wonder decision-making can feel overwhelming at times. But fear not, because neuroscience has some fascinating insights for us. Our brain uses a complex network of neurons to assess risks, rewards, and consequences when making decisions. By understanding this process, we can learn to make smarter choices in our careers. Now let's address the elephant in the room: cognitive biases. These sneaky mental shortcuts can lead us astray without us even realizing it. From confirmation bias to anchoring bias, they can cloud our judgment and hinder our professional growth. But fret not. We can combat these biases by becoming aware of them and actively challenging our assumptions. Stay tuned for tips on how to do just that. Proven techniques for making better choices. It's time to equip you with practical strategies to enhance your decision-making prowess. From the Eisenhower Matrix to the Delphi method, there are numerous techniques you can implement in your professional life. By incorporating these strategies into your workflow, you'll streamline your decision-making process, minimize risks, and maximize opportunities for success. Leveraging data to drive your career forward. Host. In today's data-driven world, decisions based on gut feelings alone won't cut it. It's crucial to harness the power of data to make informed choices that propel your career forward. Whether it's analyzing market trends, customer feedback, or performance metrics, data can provide valuable insights that guide your career trajectory and help you stay ahead of the curve. Building a decision-savvy workplace. Finally, let's talk about the importance of fostering a culture of smart decision-making within your organization. When everyone is aligned on the importance of making informed choices, it creates a more efficient and dynamic workplace. Encourage open dialogue, solicit diverse perspectives, and celebrate both successes and failures as learning opportunities. Together, we can create an environment where every decision leads to growth and innovation. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. The science of decision-making demystified. Remember, the choices you make today shape your career tomorrow. So let's commit to making smarter decisions and achieving our fullest potential. Stay tuned for more insights to supercharge your career. Until next time, keep thriving.